What's up traders? Right now we are looking at USD CAD. As we can see, last time I was doing the challenge. I'm gonna show you guys the challenge that we were doing. I'm gonna show you also, guys know that it's not fake. As you can see, this one, the 10,000, the first one, dashboard. I'm gonna show you guys my dashboard. It was the first one, and I think I got greedy with Euro USD. Let me see which one was it. Okay, Euro USD. As you can see, I think if you go to my previous video, I had Euro USD. I thought it was gonna go bullish, and as you can see, greediness, boom, it took me out, and I was gone out of this one. So as you can see, volume exceeded. So let me go to not to the next one. Same thing happened here. Went to 25. And I think this trade was lost because look, I was 400 and Euro USD, same action. I thought it was gonna go bullish, and my mistake with Euro USD. So that pair was not good for me to trade. So now we go to the next one, dashboard. This one was a little bit easy. As you can see, it was only had to make 800. I was able to buy AUD USD, and we both made profits of 800. And we were able to pass. So right now we're doing the practitioner, the second part, and right now I only have lost one trade in USD CAT, and the same thing. I think it was greediness. Right now I have a position right here. This can trigger me and keep crashing coming down, but there's stop losses right here, fair value gap right here, and for me this area is a no trade zone. So it tried to break, so we know there is buyers trying to push this way. A little bit of buyers, but sellers here were a little bit weak. There were buyers in this area. So price might come up here, trigger something, and we have to wait for the inflation rate. This can just come up here, trigger this one, and come crashing down or keep going up. If we have a high inflation, I think the demand of the dollar will increase due to the reason that we have a strong economy other than other economies. So that makes investors wanna get some of the dollar. So let's go right here. Let's do a little review on USD CAD. Why I think it's gonna go up. As you can see, there was a break right here. How many breaks? It broke right here one time, two times, three times, four times, five times, six times, seven times. So we know that buyers are trying to push and sellers keep dropping and dropping them. But here we saw that it broke this area. So we know that next time when it returns, it's gonna come full speed. We have a fair value gap here. So we might see, as you can see, it start to break, lower high. Prices decreasing within time. With time, prices decreasing, but now it's trying to rise. Now, if we go to DXY to see the strength of the dollar, DXY. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry about that. Allergies, I think. So from here, we see that price of the dollar is decreasing within time. But for me, this is like a average price. Average price is this level. This is the lowest average price in this thing. So from here, people are willing to buy. As you can see, 65 is below this one, holding as support, 90 MA holding as support. Buyers were very big here in this area, so buyers are trying to push and break this. So it might break here and slow down here before it comes back up. So We are looking at this. As you can see, I thought it was gonna come down. Boom, trigger me here. It only went this way and it reversed. And right now it's in a take profit area, so market is in an accumulation phase, a distribution phase. I mean, remember the market has four phases: accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown, and then my rally, but not always comes in markdown. We might see another rise before we see a markdown. This might be a left shoulder being created before it comes here, head, shoulder, and then starts slacking off and come back down to 101. But as of right now, we're waiting for the presidential elections and we're gonna see who wins. Everybody is betting on Trump, so we'll see what happens. So let's go back to US CAD. This is the reason why I think it's gonna go up. Right now, the economy, I think we're in stagflation where the market doesn't know where to go, either up or down. We don't have too much economic activity. We are like let it going up. Inflation was 3%, it's been 3%, and I think that's gonna be the new level of inflation. If not, if they try to drop it below 3%, they might try to they might try, or it might we might get a recession. So I think 3% is gonna be a safe zone. I don't know if you guys used to hear on the TV that they were trying not to have a soft landing. I think 3% is gonna be the soft landing, the new soft landing without crashing the market. So I think 3% is gonna be the new thing. So I think the market is gonna try it and rise before it comes down until we 100% know that okay, 3% we're stable, and if we see 3.5, we have to increase interest rates, and that will bring the demand of the dollar. So, and that helps the U.S. to expand across countries in order to have control of the market, because China is coming in strong. So we'll see what happens. And right now we are in this trade. So as you can see, market price with time is dropping. This is the lowest average price. Lowest average price where people are willing to buy here. So we have to find the sellers where people are willing to sell those positions. Where are people willing to fly and be like, all right, I'm willing to take profit. But with time, price is dropping. Just we saw in DXY. Give me a second. Oh, give me a second. Give me a second. 90 MA. And buyers are trying to get into this market. Are trying to push. They're trying to push. There's buyers here in this area, so they're trying to push. There's buyers. They're trying to push this above this order block. Let's see what happens. Let's get it. Make sure you guys follow me. Make sure you click on my link on my YouTube, and we're gonna be uploading more videos. This is the third part of the $10,000 challenge. As you can see, my mistakes were in Euro USD, so we know and we learned from those things. But we were able to pass the challenge later to like 2 weeks later, I think a week later. So pretty good. It was a one trade and two trade, and boom, passed, done quickly. We learned from our mistakes, and we fixed them, and we were able to pass the account. So right now we're in an ongoing, and we have to see. I might delete this one because I think people are being greedy here. But we'll see what happens. We will learn from this one, and if now we'll restart, and we will learn from our mistakes in order to become better traders. We're gonna go from 10,000, 25, 50 to $100,000 challenge until we get until we get very, very good that we can make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and we can just dedicate ourselves to this. So I'll be uploading more videos. Make sure you guys follow. This is the Money Association. Let's get it.